Joe here from Super Circuit headquarters in Austin, Texas. Today I'm here to talk to you about our vehicle mounted quick deploy line. So we have a IP box here and we have an analog box. Our analog box is 4-channel. IP, we've tested up to 8. We could potentially take it up higher than that. Both these solutions are for a surveillance type vehicle or a bait car or something where you want to deploy the vehicle and have remote surveillance inside or outside of a vehicle. And if you need high res, of course you would want to go with the IP box. If you want something a little more rugged, maybe the low light capability needs to be a little bit better, analog kind of comes into play. Both of these boxes are kind of interchangeable. They both use our CRCS connection setup, which is our Common Rapid Connect system, and it allows all of our systems to use the same wiring harnesses, the same batteries. So our sensor harnesses on the back of both of these boxes are the same. Our antenna cables are the same, power connectors are the same, audio connectors are the same. Even our video connectors for analog and IP are the same. They're both an IP connection. The only difference is whether it has a balun on the end of it or an IP splitter. Both of these boxes work very well for tracking. They have input and output sensors. They have a lot of things really built into them. We designed these for the departments that have a really large fleet but a little bit thinner budget. So if you have multiple vehicles and you want to say have 15 vehicles but you can really only afford 2 or 3 systems, this system makes it so you can interchange the system and the batteries in between all those vehicles. So you leave your cameras and your sensor wires and all that stuff in the vehicle, and you just pull the box out and you pull the battery out and you set it in the vehicle that you'd like to deploy with. That does work with both of those. Another big thing that's really nice is if you buy the analog box and then you decide you want to upgrade to the IP, all you need to do is change the cameras on the end of the data cables, change the splitter, and then change the box, and everything else hooks right up. Both of these take advantage of our LiveView mobile technology. Both of them have a commercial router built in. To make these work, we do recommend you have a SIM card with a static IP with Verizon or AT&T. That's what we have the most experience with. If you have another network, potentially we could test it, but that's what we have the most experience with. If you have any other questions or any concerns, you'd like to know the types of cameras or anything these fit with, please give our salesman a call and ask him. Thank you very much.